Hey guys, Eitan, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Teaneck Doghouse, which is a bar-style restaurant that has a bar, which we're obviously not going to go into for obvious reasons, and delicious bar food. Let's head inside and try the food. Alright, we are here. It is now time to eat. I think our food is coming right now. Alright, let's have it. I'm super excited. I'm literally starving. Okay, let's see. What do we have right here?
Right here, we got the sample plate.
Ooh.
And
that looks really good.
over here for a drink, a mango berry swirl.
A mango berry swirl and a... What's this called again? I forgot the name. Sampler plate. Okay, this sounds very cool. Alright, this looks heavenly. This is like amazing. Alright, I'll get to that in a second. The sampler plate is something that I'm pretty excited for. Okay. The thing I'm most excited for is you guys can see over here, there's little bits of everything. There are fried pickles, okay? I've never had fried pickles before, but that sounds right up my alley. I love pickles, and I love things that are fried. I believe these are their beef empanadas. These look like chicken wings. Believe it or not, I hate chicken wings, so we're gonna try it. Actually, I don't hate chicken wings. I've just never tried chicken wings. So I'll try them, and then pigs and blankets. All right, I'm pretty excited. Let's just start off with the drink. Let's give it a try. This looks absolutely heavenly. It's good. I forgot what he says in this. That is really good. It's like a frozen slushy type of thing. Actually, speaking of this, on Monday, when you guys watch this video, in a few days, I actually have a mango drink coming out. Oh, we have another thing coming out. Let's see. Oh my god, it's nacho time.
Nacho Supreme. Here,
Nacho Supreme. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. The Nacho Supreme. Okay, it's not a metal straw like at home, but this will do. Nacho Supreme. Oh my god, this is like a feast. Actually, I have my friend Nathan over here helping me film. So Nathan's definitely going to help me eat all this. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Let's just start over here with the sampler platter. Okay, I feel like I just have to start with these fried pickles. They're just too cool. Look at that. We have the fried pickle right over there. I have no idea what sauces these are, but we're just going to go for it. All right, I'm going to dip in this sauce. Let's give... First time ever trying fried pickle. That's good. I've never had a warm pickle. The inside of the pickle is like super warm, and then has that crunchy outside coating. Pickles are already by themselves super salty, so having that crust on there, like fried food's usually salty on the outside, but having that salt on the inside is really cool. Okay, this is what I'm most excited for, the beef empanadas. Let's actually just break it open, see what's inside. All right, looking pretty good. You see the steam wafting off there. All right, let's go. Let's give it another dip. The outside is a nice empanada coating. It looks like also deep fried. And the inside is a super flavorful meat. I'm gonna have it. Sit here. All right. So for the chicken, I feel like, do you like chicken wings?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. So I don't really want to try chicken wings, but I guess I will. But can you try them? This is Nathan. You all know and love Nathan. What do I do?
Bite into a spot where you see a lot of meat. Yeah, right there. Just bite in. Bite in, pull it off, and eat. See?
Ooh, that's kind of good.
See?
Okay, I feel like that.
So now what you can do next time before you actually bite into it, dip it in the sauce.
Alright, so Nathan went back behind the camera right over there, and he's going to be finished eating those probably because those are delicious. Now let's get on to the nachos. If you know me, you know that I love nachos. Nachos are literally just me. They have avocado on them, they have pickled jalapeno, there's chili. It's everything that I like. I'm going to now try to get a little bit of everything. So we're going to take some of that Parv sour cream, put it on there, some of the avocado. Alright, it might be a little messy, but we're going to try to get literally everything. Pickled jalapenos are one of my favorite things in the entire universe, so we're going to put that on there. Wow, that is seriously packed with all the great flavors and textures. You have that super crunchy chip on the bottom. You have that chili that is super meaty, delicious. There's the beans, there's the meat, there's a tomato part. It is super delicious and nice and hot on top of that chip. Then to cool it down, there's the avocado, there's the Parv sour cream. Then to give it a little bit of spice, there's those pickled jalapenos. If you've never had pickled jalapenos before, run to the store or drive, get some pickled jalapenos, put them on nachos. Life-changing, seriously. Okay, it is entree time, and they just brought out this burger, and they were telling me what it is, but I have the worst memory, so I'll just let you tell you. So what are we having over here?
We have the SEC burger. It comes with a 14-hour slow-cooked barbecue brisket, a fried egg on top, and fresh-cut french fries, and a side of homemade coleslaw.
That sounds good. Thank you. You guys know I'm a sucker for anything with this side of french fries. Like, literally, like, I will buy any... Like, if something comes with a side of french fries, I'll buy it. I don't even care if it's food. I love side of french fries, so that's really good. Then over here, can you see that over there on the close-up shot? Check this out. There is the beef patty right there. There is, as he said, slow-cooked brisket. Did he say? Yeah, slow cooked brisket and a fried egg on top and some coleslaw. This just looks delicious. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here. Let's go in for this burger. Ooh, I appreciate a nice brioche bun. That looks delicious. Okay, are you ready? Look at that burger. How heavily does that look? Okay, I'm gonna go with the Guy Fieri method of eating, where you actually eat it upside down. So I have the top one over here. To take the big bite, I'm gonna flip it upside down. Are you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, and now let's go for a bite. Look at that. Okay, I just got the food off my face. Let's talk about that. Now, Guy Fieri, when he's talking about burgers, the way you know if it's good is the burger grease or juice, however sounds more appealing to you, that when you squeeze that burger, your hands get filled with that juice. That is how you know you're having a good burger. And it's super savory and flavorful. And then on top of that delicious brisket that just has such smoky flavor, there is that egg on top that still has the runny yolk. When I took that bite in, a bunch of the yolk just like popped out and made this delicious sauce to go on top of it. This is one delicious burger that is like, I feel like it's a whole meal in a burger. Like usually burgers are meals already, but you got the brisket on top, the ground beef burger, you got the egg, got the fries. You know, actually I'm gonna dip the fry in the burger juice because I'm just feeling crazy. Oh, that was actually really good. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Okay, that burger was delicious. Now let's start on this hot dog. For I understand this is not a regular hot dog. What do we have here?
No, we have created our own. It is a garlic salami sausage topped with our homemade pico de gallo, sauteed onions, avocado, and our rocket sauce, which is the chipotle mayo.
That sounds heavily to me. Okay, let's just dig in. There is there's sausage on there. Then we have the homemade pico, the chipotle. It's just like everything I like. Okay, I'm not usually a big hot dog person, but I knew I had to try this. Okay, ready for it? Let's go in for a bite. This is like so big, I don't even know how to start. I guess we'll go from here. Ready? He was not kidding when he said this is an elevated hot dog. Like I mentioned, I usually do not eat hot dogs. Like, I honestly cannot remember the last time I ate a hot dog. But this is an elevated hot dog, so I went for it. That sausage in there is super, super flavorful. Usually hot dog kind of just tastes like nothing, just tastes like meat. But it's packed with flavor. Then you have the fresh pico de gallo, the fresh and creamy avocado on there with that spicy chipotle mayo that is just absolutely delicious. And obviously those sauteed onions. This is easily, I would say, the best hot dog I've ever had. And I can say that. I mean, I guess I can say that because I've only probably had like less than a few dozen hot dogs. I'm not a hot dog person, but still a very delicious hot dog. Alright, it is now time for the last dish. What do we have here? These are the gator tenders. Gator tenders. Now these are like an elevated version of like chicken fingers.
Yes, it's chicken tenders that are smothered in our signature gator sauce. It's a mixture of barbecue and sweet chili. So you get sweet and spicy at the same time. And that right there is our garlic aioli sauce on the side.
That looks incredible. Thank you so much. Okay, I think I should just dig in. I mean, how incredible does that look? Look at these. They're like giant chicken fingers smothered with that sauce. Okay, I think, you know what, I'm not even gonna dip into that sauce. I think this is good enough. Look at that, there's like steam wafting off. Okay, hopefully I don't burn myself. God, it's delicious. It's honestly incredible that they're able to get such a crunchy coating on the outside, but keep that inside super thin, but super juicy and tender. I find a lot of times when you order chicken fingers, the outside either not crunchy or the inside is super dry and rough, but this is a perfect, like, it's the perfect everything. Perfect outside, perfect sauce, perfect middle. Like, this is heavenly. This is a great way to end off the meal. Alright, so that was super delicious. I, to be honest, have been eating healthier lately, which for me means I only eat 1 or 2 cookies a day and no more than that. But I thought it would be fun to just have some super fun bar food. So if you guys are ever in Teaneck, New Jersey, come by Doghouse to get this. Obviously not sponsored. These Eitan Eats videos are just cool restaurants that I like eating at that I want to showcase to you all. That was super delicious. I would say my favorite thing I ate was definitely nachos. I'm a sucker for anything with like fried components with a hot, delicious thing on top, then topped with avocado. Like if there's avocado and a crunchy component, then I just like it. That was super delicious. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, be sure to click that like button down below and comment what was your favorite part of the video. What would you order if you were here? And if you have any other video ideas or places you want me to do an Eitan Eats, let me know that down below, and hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already to be the first to know when I post new videos. All right, I will see you on Monday with another episode of Eitan's Outdoor Summer Cookout. All right, bye.